We're continuing to follow developing news out of the State House today. Governor Charlie Baker announcing the Bay State will lift the face mask mandate in compliance with the federal health guidance on Saturday, May 29th. Good Monday afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. This means that fully vaccinated people no longer have to wear their masks indoors or outdoors. And we do have team coverage for you tonight, breaking down all the changing mask mandates. Western Mass News reporter Matt Satilli is standing by with the changes for youth sports.
But first, we begin with Briseida Landaverde, who's live tonight in Springfield with more. Briseida.
Chris and Jordan, it's important to know that with all of these changes, businesses can still require masks indoors if they see fit. So we decided to reach out to several businesses in our area to see whether or not they will still be requiring face coverings.
Thanks to all your work, we're willing to take the next step forward together.
Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker announcing big news on Monday. Starting May 29th, the Bay State will adopt the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention masking guidelines, meaning fully vaccinated people no longer have to wear masks indoors or outdoors, except in nursing homes, public transportation, and schools. Governor Baker says vaccination numbers across the state made this new change possible.
Massachusetts is on track to reach its goal of vaccinating 4.1 million residents by early June, and this level of protection makes this step possible for the people of the Commonwealth.
In addition, all COVID-19 restrictions and capacity limits will be lifted on May 29th as well, and the state's COVID-19 state of emergency will end on June 15th.
As we transition away from the current restrictions, businesses may choose to set their own requirements for vaccinations or masking. We encourage them to do whatever works for them, for their employees, and for their customers.
We know you have questions at home. What are stores doing around here? Will they still require face coverings? We reached out to some of the larger retailers around Western Mass, and here's what we found. Stop & Shop tells Western Mass News they will be reviewing the guidance by the CDC and governor, but at this time, masks will still be required. And while some businesses are lifting the mask mandate nationally as early as Monday, they will only do so with clearance from the state and local community where they're located. This list includes Walmart, Costco, Trader Joe's, and Target. CVS Pharmacy tells us the mask mandate will apply to shoppers only. In a statement, they say, "We will not ask for proof of vaccination from customers. Employees are required to wear masks or face coverings whether or not they've been vaccinated. And those that have not made a decision yet include Big Y and Geisler's Supermarket." We caught up with some shoppers who tell us they're not quite ready for the change.
For protection, I'm just going to wear a mask.
Now, we know these are a lot of changes, and you may have questions at home. So coming up at 6, we're getting answers from local businesses on whether or not they will be checking if people are fully vaccinated before entering their establishments. For now, reporting live in Springfield, Briseida Landaverde for Western Mass News.